Nakakatao talaga. Nakakatao. Tapos after this one, balog ko yung mga pan ko dito. Then, ready na for cooking. So, balik na naman tayo dito, guys. So, this is me cooking. So, I just need to dry it. Then, of course, the main, you know this is hot and spicy. Century tuna. I don't know, na-try mo na ba to, Sisi Koy? Sis Melody? Na-try mo na ng ganito. Sarap naman yan. Yeah, ano po ito? Carbonara spaghetti. Kaya nga, nag-live na lang ako para double purpose yung natin dito. Yes po, Tita Vlogs. Spaghetti carbonara. I know it's not spaghetti. It's pasta carbonara. Kasi meron ako, maglagay ako ng ganito. Yung all-purpose cream. But actually guys, this is actually original pasta talaga yung gusto ko. Pero since meron akong all-purpose cream, sayang naman. Sayang naman kung hindi ko gamitin kay gamitin ko. Then, just waiting for. Thank you 6 people. Salamat. Nasa pasta. Yeah, pasta carbonara. In Indian language, say that. What do you call pasta? Mom, why are not wear the gloves? I don't have gloves here. So sorry for that. I don't have butter today, guys. So don't judge me. I'm just gonna put some oil. Gusto ko butter kasi mabango. Pero, wala kasi akong butter ngayon. Parang may water pa sa loob. Nakakaloka yan. Thank you, everybody. It's raining here, guys. Tapos, meron din akong mushroom pieces. Tapos, meron din akong all-purpose cream. Then, hot and spicy. So, ito yung laman niya. Hot and spicy tuna. Yes, of course. Then, now, I'm gonna add garlic. Oh, no, what happened to my garlic? My garlic is already toasted. Whatever. That's the problem with the garlic. Then now, I'm gonna add onion powder. Para hindi na ako mag-cut, so ito na lang yung ginamit ko. Onion powder. Tara! My God, naluto na ang everything. Tapos, now, I'm gonna add this one. Parang maliit ng ulo ko. Parang masunod na ng ulo ko. Hoy! Sino kayo dyan? Ulo. Grabe nga, gusto na yung ko, garlic tsaka onion, gosh. Cooking time with the mushroom, para ang bango. Yeah, read my one long message, then scroll you ignore me. What is that? Like I'm cooking, guys, I cannot read all your messages. Okay, thank you, Kuya Eric, everybody. So, cooking now the mushroom. Done putting the onions and garlic. Then, adding now the mushroom. Then, cooking it for a while. Sis Ja, thank you, Sis Ja. Masarap naman yan, ma'am. Of course.